Hello, this video is about doing a document translation on www.txthero.com. The website supports Statista, article rewriter, text-to-speech, audio-to-text and document translation. The voice you heard now is generated from the website too. The file prepared as one chapter from Tinkerbell. The preview is like this. Choose document translation. Type the user code, and then select target language. I choose French. Select the file to upload. Once the file submitted, it takes minutes to process the translation. It's already completed. Let's take a look and comparison. Thank you very much. Hope you like this video.